Hi guys, it's your girl Yammi, and I'm at the Vineland Premium Outlets, and I'm about to go into the Disney Character Warehouse store and see what they've gotten in. Let's see if they got some more 50th items in, and let's see if they did any price changes. That's what I'm hoping for. So let's go check it out. It is 11 a.m. and I'm just getting here. I think the store's been open about an hour. I don't think anything's gone down here. The candle was $5 last time. They do have Doonies. I'm not seeing any new ones.
I like this little light up Christmas tree. That was cute.
They do have Christmas stuff still. The $79.99 for the train, and the light up tree is $30. And then they got some special ornaments here. These ones are $15 a piece. And this is what they look like. Very pretty. Alright, this jacket is new. $30. And the rock and roll clear backpacks are here. They go for $20. Well, the sweaters are new. And they are going for, oh crap, price tag, okay, $30. A long sleeve Tiana shirt and a 50th sweater for $45. They've added some stuff. This is the garnish picks and holders for $20. This one is the jam and salt for $15. We have the little glass. It is glass too. It's real little. Plates are in. I don't remember if the plates were here last week or not, but they're $30 and you get 4 plates. Oh, and then you got a 3-tier tray here for $20. The tea kettle is still here, the teapot. The trays here, it is ceramic and very heavy for $20. They still have the bowls and the mug, or the teapots for $20. I think the bowls were $10 each. Little coffee mug here, or tea mug, $15. Not much new over here except for the Strange World toys. Alright, Strange World toy. It's Ethan and Skiff vehicle. I have no idea what it is. $15. And then there's a collector set right there for $25. Okay, I thought this was something else, but it's that Seeing Red outfit for $20. Buzz Lightyear backpack. This thing is huge. And it's $20. Oh, look at. Let me see if I can get it to work. There we go. Oh, now it makes music.
Oh, it's Skyliner. Hey, we'll grab some money. Stop, give me some unicorns.
Oh, there's a couple Figment left. Patches, $7.99 because it comes with a pin. Okay, upside down Mickey is $4.99 also. We got $4.99 for these. Over here we got the bubble art. This is new. $20 and $20. Hawkeye, been here. Expensive patches that are, what are they? $12.99. And then you got the $4.99. Nothing new on this one. Miss Marvel, nothing new here. Chubby. Nothing new. I'm not sure if that's, I think those might be new, I'm not sure. Lots of the Magic Band Pluses. Keychains. Pop sockets are $7.99. Madame Leon is $20. And still got Star Wars. I think this is new. We have Figment. Let me see. Cat Lady. Oh, the Sanders Sisters. Okay. And from 20 years. And back to that shirt. Just happened to look up and look what I found. My sweater for 30 bucks, but they don't have my size. Oh no. I'm upset. Maybe they might have more. Let me check. I'll just go through the men's clothing. This must be Chinese New Year's spirit jersey for $34.99. Yes. Got Chip and Dale on the back. Look at that. $14.99. $24.99. That's the Soul Spirit jersey. Darkwing Duck. This is Frozen collection here. $20. Alright, no luck on that sweater. They don't have any more in the back, so I'll have to come back and try again. They still have the pink Crocs. It looks like all they have are big sizes for $34.99. These ones are $30. Alright, so I didn't see any other new mugs. Let's go through the Christmas stuff now and see if there's anything new. I'm not seeing anything new. Not even ornaments. Towel with Chip and Dale. I think it was $7.99. It's gone down. The onesie. Mixing bowls. The casserole dish is still $20. And the bowl set is still $15. They have 99-cent kettle corn. They sell that in the park for what, $6 I think? And there's only 99 cents. They have sour belts for 99 cents. Alright, we started collecting the gold medallions for the 50th, and we didn't get them all. And we happened to see here there's a machine that has them. You got Jiminy the Cricket, Mickey and Walt, R2-D2, and Pua. And here they're 4 for $10 or $3 a piece. Still got a lot of dog stuff here. Well, as you can tell, it's past spring break and it has quiet down here quite a lot since the last couple Wednesdays we've been coming. Well, that was it for the Disney Character Warehouse store. Like I said, some new stuff in there. That sweater. I'm going to get that sweater. So the next time it comes back in, hopefully they have my size. Fingers crossed. I always say if it was meant for me to get, I will get it. So we'll see what happens. I miss the sweater. All right, but how about giving me a thumbs up? That helps my numbers and helps me to be suggested more. So we're trying to get our numbers up. So if you give me a thumbs up, that would be great. And if you're not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and come back and see all the adventures that we go on. We have some pretty fun times, especially on our lives, which is the first and second Mondays of the month. We will do a live. The first one is at 7. The second Monday is at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So they're both 7 p.m. and 5 p.m. We do that so our UK friends can join in on a live with us. So the second Monday is usually for our UK friends, but anybody's welcome. So come on in and join the fun, and you'll have a good time. I guarantee you'll have a good time. We still got a lot of things coming up to do, like Boo's got to climb that tree. We're hoping to be able to do it next week. If not, it'll have to wait until I come back from Michigan, which I'll be gone for 2 weeks. Let me see, what else? Oh, we had a lot of fun the other day, Sunday at Magic Kingdom. So that video is still coming out. The only problem is my microphone. Somehow I ended up muting it. So half my video, there's no sound. Boing. Boo got these for me, so I'm just learning how to use them, and I must have hit the mute button. So you didn't hear too much. But you did hear me on my ride, because that I filmed on my phone. But as always, guys, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.